lot in the future. So hydrogen energy can be renewable and non-renewable. So it can be both. So for it to be renewable energy, you can make it with wind,
geothermal,
water, solar, and blah blah blah. But for it not be non-renewable, you would use petroleum, coal, natural gases, and nuclear energy. Countries producing it. Every country can produce its own hydrogen. But the natural hydrogen found right beneath all the soil 20 meters under the rock layer. And that's where you usually find natural hydrogen. And you find this natural hydrogen usually in Kansas City, USA, Siberia, Russia, and Mali, Africa. World market share. Well, world hydrogen market set for 3.5% annual growth through 2013 through 2018. So this pink one is Asia Pacific, and it's right now it's at 6.5. The blue one right here is of the regions, and it's right now second, which is 4.5. The purple one is hydrogen demand, which is right now at 3.5. The green one is at North America and is 1.5. And the last one, which is this light purple, is Western Europe, and it's at 0.3. Advantages and disadvantages. Advantages: no harmful emissions. There is also no element in the universe about like hydrogen. When hydrogen is used, gases are leaved behind. But that gas is not petroleum. It's actually fresh drinking water. And then it's also environment friendly and used as fuel in rockets. And it's fuel efficient. And another advantage is it could be produced. You can make it around the world with any type of energy source that you have. And so, if you make it with renewable energy, you'll get your hydrogen. If you make it with non-renewable energy, then you will not make hydrogen. It will be non-renewable, so you won't be able to use it. Disadvantages. It depends where. Expensive. Depends on where it's produced. It's hard to move hydrogen because you know how oil you move them through pipes, and in coal you put them in the back of the truck, and that's how you move them. But hydrogen has to be compact, and then you can move them. Then it's not easy replacing another hydrogen fuel which is already gone. And it's highly it can get fired a lot. It has a very high potential of getting fired. And it depends on what fossil fuel or energy sources you use to make the hydrogen. Sooner or later, fossil fuels will end and pollute the environment a lot. We need to save our planet.